How to upgrade OneDrive storage. If you have been using the OneDrive application and wondering on how to upgrade the storage on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the OneDrive application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now tap onto your profile icon at the top left corner right here. Select it. Then here you can find Go Premium just right here. Tap on it. Now from here you can simply upgrade your OneDrive. Now simply choose one of these options just like this and simply tap on to upgrade. Now simply add your payment informations and simply buy this upgrading plan and you will upgrade the OneDrive storage. And that's it. This is how you can upgrade OneDrive storage. It is a very easy process, right? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.